If you need some help with how to put together works cited entries, there's another little shortcut that you can use within Google Docs that will give you some pretty easy ways to put together a works cited entry. So what you're going to want to do is go down to this bottom right corner and you click on the Explore button. Now, if you do a search for a website, in here it's gonna, it'll pull up a normal Google search. Since I've already got some of the URLs, I'm just gonna copy mine and paste it in here. And when I get the web results, so this source right here is the website that I used to get some of this information. If you see up here in the top right corner of it, there's a little quote. And when you hover over it, it says cite as footnote. With my source cited here, I'm just going to click on this little quotation mark. And what it's going to do is it's going to add a footnote right here. But then if you'll notice at the bottom, this is my works cited entry. So I can do the same thing for this next source. If I do a search for that URL, there's that source there. I can do the same thing for this one. And basically what I'm going to have is a series of footnotes that are the works cited. So this is not necessarily going to be my works cited page for my project, but what you can do is you can just easily copy and paste each of these entries, stick them in alphabetical order, and then you end up with a works cited page kind of like this right here. So that's a really easy way within Google Docs that you can utilize that Explore button to put together works cited entries. It just works on websites though. So anything that is a book or a journal, you're going to have to go through a different process to put that works cited page together. But since most